What's up, you guys? It's your boy K back with another video and tripping over stuff. We messing with the bike. Alright, so last video, put the fuel pump in there, so we got that all situated. It did not start, but the fuel pump is working. Good sign. The battery was dead, so I put it on the charger. As you can see, I was trying to put air in the tires. Yeah, we got a problem with that. Kind of hard to move the motorcycle because the back tire is super flat. And they got a hole in the tire, so I can't put air in it. So, gotta figure out how to move it. I'm trying to move it out of the garage so when I start it, I don't die from CO2 poisoning. So, let's figure this out. Oh, if you wondering what we do in this video, we're about to get the motorcycle started. Alright, so we gotta take the battery tender off before we can even move the car. Actually, not the positive, always remove the negative first. So go ahead and take this bad boy off, followed by this bad boy, and then snake it back up. Got the Amazon guy here. Alright, so I disconnected it. Come on now. There we go. Sit that right there. Alright, so not gonna start it, but here I go. Get the powering steering on. Just roll it downhill. Come on. There we go, bucko. But guess we do gotta start it. Alright, so I got a plan. I'm gonna take this jack and I'm gonna use it to move this. Now, how I'm gonna do it, just gotta watch. Okay, well, plan B. That didn't work out too good. And actually, I should have just did this first. I just rode the bike out. I thought it was gonna be harder because of the flat tire, but it wasn't. So we got it, I moved it. I just rolled it out the way. So now we're about to see if this bad boy starts. I already charged the battery. All the electronics working, so that's good. Put my foot on the brake. Hey, stand up. Boy! Hold on, the bike's on. The bike's working. Boy! Dang, yeah, 7, between like 1680 and 1700 RPM. Boy, this boy started. Let me see if this still runs with the kickstand though. Alright, we got it started. They go a quick little walk around. As you can see, one headlight work. We gotta replace that one. We gotta replace the mirror. We gotta replace both mirrors actually. See the tires, gotta replace all that stuff. Just give y'all a better walk around now so you can actually see it. Yeah, here we go.
Look at the exhaust coming out that boy. So crazy, boy. Finally got this joint started. So we gonna clean up all this down here, get that boy real nice and good. I gotta replace the back tire, the brakes, sprocket, chain, all that stuff coming soon, bro. This is where I took off all the stuff. I got all the body panels. I took all that stuff off. Boy ain't been running in years, dude. So, as you can see the chain, I'm gonna replace that. The back tire, as you can see, that boy's super flat. Yeah, everything else is pretty decent. Just a little scratch right there, as you can see. Whoever had it dropped it. It is what it is, bro. We gonna get this thing up to code and get it running. We'll give y'all a sneak peek. Don't mind all the little body pieces missing, the fairings up there and whatnot. I took all that off. Told you I gutted this boy down to build it back up. You feel me? You feel me? All the electronics working. Trying to show you. There we go. You feel me? That's how many miles on there. It's a lot, but well, I don't really know what's high mileage for a bike, but I don't care. As long as it runs, we gonna get it popping. Bro, I told y'all we was gonna get this bad boy started, man. Look, got this boy started, man. I can't believe this junk, man. So look, we gonna get this junk done. I'm gonna order some parts today. The chain, the sprocket, I'm gonna order that. See how much tires is, brakes. What else? Of course, the body panels and all that stuff. I'm gonna order a new one of those. Headlight, mirrors, all that good stuff, man. I'm gonna make a list. I'm gonna order it all today so it can come. I don't know how long it's gonna come because you know this is day 2 of quarantine, so Corona probably slowing down everything, especially like the delivery. So oil change, gotta get that. Yeah, bro, I'm ordering everything, man. We're about to start having these videos cranking out, getting this stuff done, bro. I'm excited, dude. I'm excited. Give me my props, bro. I told you we gonna get this joint started, man. And I tell you, go get this joint started, man. It's a bad boy right here. There we go, man, y'all. If y'all like the video, the bike is finally started, bro. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Cost you nothing. Make sure you subscribe. Come back. We making content, bro. Day 2 of quarantine is officially a good day for me. You know what I'm saying? It's a good day. Got the bike started. It's been a long time, long journey. So go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Leave your comments down below. I'm gonna see you next video. Peace. Hold on. How I'm gonna let you go without hearing the exhaust?